Here's the other one I've been working on down Roscoe's while I've been on holidays. It's a Perkins marine generator off a ship originally, but it's been converted for use to a farm. The farmer built the frame she's in, put a truck exhaust on it, truck fuel tank. What I've done is I've put a new control panel on it. We've added the oil fuel line down there, manual thermostat, had to add this bar on along here, so zip tie the cables to, had to redo the regulator. Here's what I've done. There's all the GPOs and stuff I had to put on, all the breakers for them, gauges had to wire in. There's the control panel, had a red counter here but it refuses to work. Second hand this thing is, but there we are. There's the CT meters I had to wire in. Don't know if you can see them. Oh, there we are. Hey, there's all the big wires, the mains, all the wires at the back there. Had to pair the box there this year, block up the holes that were all in there. There's the junction box for the control panel. This is the old engine control, used to run to a computer. Now she just runs here. The alternator's not working, so it's not charging the battery, so I can't. I'll try and set it up so I can run it. So I can show you. Anyway, hopefully we'll see if it runs. Let's see if we can get it to run with a couple of batteries rigged up. I haven't got the ion starter on. Let's turn off that one. So let's see how we go. There we are, running. Oh, zoomed in. There we are. I can do something. Anyway, see you later.